Hey guys, welcome to day 50 of my weight loss. I'm just here to give you a quick update of what's gone on and what changes have happened in the time from day 20 to day 50. Now, day 20, I had lost about 20 kilos, and unfortunately that hasn't changed, but from everything I have learned, the number on the scale doesn't matter as much as the size of your body does. Now, what does that mean? Well, I took a measurement of my waist and of my arms and of my legs, and on my waist I have lost approximately 7 inches or 18 centimeters in the last 30 days, despite my weight staying the same. I've lost about 2 centimeters off my arms, and I've lost 1 centimeter off my legs. Now, when speaking to various health professionals, they're telling me that I've just literally increased my muscle mass. Sorry, I've just got an itch there. They're telling me I've increased my muscle mass whilst I am losing the fat, which is always a good thing. They won't know for certain until I have a DEXA scan, which may or may not happen sometime soon. I had one previously, and they said I had about 100 and something kilos of muscle, 5 to 10 kilos of bone, because they can't really gauge on the density of bone with the DEXA scan. And then, your organs take up about another 10-15 kilos, and then the rest is, fat. Now, give or take, let's just say that about a third of my body was fat, if not a bit more, but there's also visceral fat surrounding the organs. Now, what they have said is that obviously the more weight I lose, I can be losing muscle, so I need to up my resistance training. So what I've done is I found a local park near to me where I can actually do things like shoulder presses and lateral pull downs, but it's using my own body weight. Now, that is an absolute killer when you're my size. I can also do leg presses with it as well, and again, it's an absolute killer. The benefit is going to be that it's going to build up the muscle in my arms, shoulders, chest, and in my legs. And the benefit to that is more muscle means more calories being burned at the same time. I will be investing in some free weights for my house so that I can just, pop off 10-15 kilos doing this, a couple of hundred reps on each arm a week, if, as go to failure, and then do the other arm, go to failure, that sort of thing. The aim of the game, obviously, is to keep going and keep losing weight. I am still going to be publishing healthy meals. I recommend you look at my hot sauce, my beef adobo, and also the mutton curry. Fantastic meals to be having. The hot sauce, only a dab is required. I will link it there. The mutton curry, fantastic, flavorful, lovely Indian dish. If you don't want to use mutton, you can use paneer and do the exact same curry. I will link it there. And my beef adobo, it's by far the most popular recipe on my channel. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. It will be linked here and on the end screen as well. Another thing I found, energy levels. Energy levels are shooting up something chronic. I'm actually finding that I'm restless at home. I'm sitting there, I'm shaking my legs, I've got to get up, I've got to do something. I'm encouraging now, my children to come out with me on a walk. And at this time of year, we'll be foraging, we'll be picking berries. In fact, that is something I've done today. I just brought a tub with me, I've picked some berries. There's not many in there, but it's all good. It's going to get stewed down and added to the pot that I've got at home. I've got about 1 kilo of stewed fruit, maybe a bit more actually, but it's all good. It's healthy, it's natural, it's wild, and I'm turning it gourmet. Now, I will be using some of that stewed fruit into another recipe that I've got coming up. I'm going to be using it in some of a prawn curry, and you may be thinking, what the hell is stewed fruit going to do in a prawn curry? But I will show you, and it will be worthwhile. Now, lastly, clothes. Oh, I have had a change in my clothes. My t-shirts are getting baggier, my kilts are getting looser. In fact, the kilt that I'm wearing now, I had to readjust the straps on it. I took it off, readjusted them, put them back on, and I did this yesterday. Now, a kilt, if you don't know, it's got 5 or 6 straps. Just depends on the maker, but the one I've got has got 5 straps, 5 holes on the straps, I should say. And I redid the kilt so that it was on the loosest most strap. Sorry, I got an itch. Now, from yesterday to today, I have already tightened it up 2 notches, because I was walking around thinking, oh well, you know, it's fine, but as I was walking, it was falling down, so I had to tighten it up. That's a big bonus for me, if you ask me, because it just makes me feel like I'm actually succeeding at what I am aiming to do. Anyway, that is it for now. I will be uploading more.